Hello everyone, welcome to the Easy Tech Steps channel, where we share the best tech tips in the easiest way possible. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear the browser cache in Chrome. This will help your browser run smoother and fix some issues when accessing websites. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. Then, click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser. Next, move your mouse down to the Settings option and click on it. When the Settings page opens, scroll down and look for the Privacy and Security section. In this section, select Clear Browsing Data. A small window will pop up. Here, you'll see two tabs, Basic and Advanced. In the Basic tab, you can choose the time range for clearing data. If you want to clear all cache, select All Time. Make sure the option Cached Images and Files is checked. If you don't want to delete browsing history or cookies, you can uncheck those options. If you're a basic user, I recommend sticking to the Basic tab as it's sufficient for most cases. Finally, click the Clear Data button. The process will take a few seconds, depending on how much data needs to be cleared. Now your Chrome browser cache is cleared, which can improve speed and fix minor browsing issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Easy Tech Steps channel for more great tech tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.